I like that sign right there. Generator? They're putting them in here. They're putting generators in here. Yeah. Take it easy. Thank you. See, now they're like, hold up, let me QR code that. Where we at? Cloud 9. We're down here somewhere. What do we got? Here we are. There's my boys right here. Christmas present from Aunt Stephanie, aka Aunt Slappy. And the transitions are kicking in. What's poppin', Slime?
Hey. Oh man, hurry up to the hole in. Hurry up to the hole in. What's up? You like the Willy Wonka?
Willy Wonka? Nah, we slapping, not dapping. Looking good. I see. Yep.
Oh baby, baby.
I see. That's what you had to do, man.
That's Justin's idea, yeah. Thank you.
That's what we did out there at the yeah, that's what we did. That's what y'all did out there at the deer place with the propane.
Yeah.
You swooped it over.
Yeah, you had no.
Yeah, but it was different than this one.
Very similar though.
Very similar. You had to rework the underside to.
This one's
Yeah.
145 on that one. This one's a double 45 and a 90.
Like
The other one's a 90-45.
Huh?
Like the bands?
The recording one.
Fans will make good bands. Yeah. Hey, Meadow, where'd these guys come from? I'm just kidding.
Oh,
They came from Gentex, baby. What mama don't know won't hurt her. What mama don't know, she didn't know anyway.
Yeah, we got to push pipe over and set.
Electricians live on this shit.
Alright, go for it.
We do.
All right. I like how Randall's decked out in his Gentex gear too. He don't play, man. He represents. I love it. Right down there. My kid's school was right over here. He went there last year.
That's the one they just built, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. I've always been jealous of the kids that could ride their bike to school
My youngest is mad.
and not get diddied.
My
Or diddled.
youngest kid's mad because the oldest kid got to go to school and she didn't get to.
Just if you
Bury
want
the
to
gas and
What's up, Randall?
Yes, no, or you got some shit to go across. Hey man, I didn't see you.
I blend
Why are you
in.
asking me? He's here.
Nah, he's the boss.
The builder was asking me a question.
I seen you on the phone when I pulled up, and
Oh yeah.
I didn't.
I was wondering whose truck that was out there. I didn't think anything.
Oh yeah.
So you got a manhandle it, Chucky.
See, keep it away from your cycle.
And another thing, if you twist that wire all the way around on the top, it'll make it to where it'll layer like. Go ahead and listen to me. There you go. Yeah, perfect.
The main thing is so you're not, because then Barrel's gonna come around and call you out and say, "Man, y'all gotta get that boy Tucker in shape out there. I can't change my second board out." Right? Come on.
Tell me I can't teach Tucker too much.
No? Why? You gonna take your job? That's
Dang.
hell yeah, brother. I
Well,
like
look
it.
at his knowledge of power.
I like it. Y'all are looking good around here.
What's happening, man?
Not much. Just I had a little time to just come over and check in and see your new place and say hey. All right, guys. I'm gonna get out to the next one. Later, Tuck. Appreciate y'all.
Oh no, we shake hands. Remember?
Nope.
Oh, on the way out.
Slaps on the way in, daps on the way out.
Facebook story yet?
What's that?
You do your Facebook story yet?
Right here.
Right.
Yeah. It's the hands free now.
Guy looking like Steve Urkel.
Yeah, and then